So these are going to be some row walkthrough solves. Let's start with the first scramble. I see a little pair and an edge corresponding. So I do an R, L prime, and a D prime to make a square. So it's a quite nice three move square that I make. And I quickly observe that the edge, the corner is at the top and the edge is at the left. So with the F move, I can easily set up to a one move pair, and I do an L prime and F to complete the 7 move first block. So the first block is complete, and I'm quite lucky that the uh, DR edge is solved and the corner is right in its place with the edge correctly oriented. So I do a U prime and try to insert it using the CFOP way, which is R prime R prime U R U prime R prime. And now I don't see any uh, green yellow pieces, but it's at the back, so it was quite difficult to do the second part of the block. But what I can do is a U prime and wide R prime to just pair it up, and with U and wide R I can complete the second block. And the first block and second block are completely done. We move on to the CML. So I cannot recognize it from this angle, so I do a U2 and I quickly identify that it's a Nicholas. So I execute the Nicholas and I observe that I'm going to get two unoriented edges on the top. So this is quite not a bad case. So I'll make it into an arrow and solve it. So in this I should have done an M prime, but I've done an M. So both the UL and UR edges are at the top, so I split them up, bring one to the back down and one to the front, and do an M U2 M prime to solve it. And now after solving it, I observe it's a simple 3 cycle, which is a 4 mover, which is M prime U2 M U2 cube is solved.